The 2018 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.